Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn on high performance power mode on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by two large icons and now select power options. And now in here you just need to select high performance or ultimate performance by your preferences. Flavors performance but may use more energy. So if you're not able to see the high performance, then you just need to expand this option guys. Hide additional plans, you just need to click on this drop down and now that options will be show up guys. That ultimate performance provides ultimate performance on higher end PCs. I recommend to select high performance guys. And that's all you had to do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.